Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing, and if you've never been here before, then welcome. I am so glad that you found us, and if you are returning to the channel, thank you so much. You really make the difference to this channel. Thank you so much for returning time and time again to spend a part of your day with me. In today's video, guys, I am really excited for this video because you know what? I thought I was never going to get this box. Everybody's already opened theirs and I have been having major FOMO waiting for my IPSY Plus add-ons to come in. And yes, that's right. I do not do the IPSY Ultimate. I do the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and then I choose the add-ons that I want. You know, I just feel like that way I get more bang for my buck. I have never gotten the Ultimate bag from the time that it started. I never swapped over to the Ultimate. I never bit the bullet and bought the Ultimate because it's $50. That's a lot of money. And I'm not a big fan of the deluxe sample size. A little bit of them from my Allure beauty box is what I use for my vacation bag and my travel bag, and I like those, but I get the Allure beauty box, so that's enough for me. I kind of like to choose, especially if I want a sample. I usually go to Sephora and get the sample that I want and try it, and then I decide if I want to buy the whole size or not. So that's the way that I do IPSY. Will I give up IPSY? No, absolutely not. I love my IPSY account. I love my Glam Bag Plus, and I absolutely feel like I just have to have access to the IPSY store, the add-on store. I do a lot of giveaways through what I get from IPSY. I love the little package deals that they do. You know, Jess, Gus, and I love our IPSY giveaways. So no, I'm not giving up my IPSY. I love IPSY, but the way that I like to do it is I really love my Glam Bag Plus my add-ons. So let's get in here and see what I chose this month and what they gave me. So getting into it, of course, this month is let's see, it is IPSY's Clean Slate for January. That's the theme, and keeping with that theme, and this is the only thing that could make this any better, is if I got the premium, no, ultimate, I don't even know what they call it, the one that you get the bigger bag. So that is what I sort of have makeup lust over, is the bag. So this is a beautiful bag to me. I really, really love it. It looks like this on the back, and then it looks like this on the front. But I really love the bigger sized bag. And you can, if you really, really want it, you can get it in the add-on shop. I think it's like maybe a $12 add-on. I don't like it that good. So what I actually got in my bag was, I chose the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions. I love these palettes by Huda Beauty, and I really don't have many. I have the Mauve Obsessions. That's the only one that I have. And so to see these coming out in IPSY has just been a delight of mine. So this is the one that I chose, and you know, I could have just chose so many. Didn't really know which one I wanted to choose, but this is the one that I went with. I'm not sorry. You know, for my eye color, purple is a very complimentary color. It brings out the green in my eyes. So, you know, that's why I chose this one. And it is absolutely beautiful. It is a 9-pan palette. There is just so much pigmentation to these palettes. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I just love this. So I'm looking very forward to having another one of these in my life. I was really having a hard time between the Ruby Obsessions, this one, and the Topaz. I was really having a hard time, but because of my eye color, I chose the Amethyst. So it is absolutely beautiful. And that is a retail value of $27. So yeah. What a great, that already pays for your $25 box, so everything else is just gravy. So, and it is, you know, I'm really, really excited to have that in my collection. So then the next thing that I see is this Pur Lisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Door Serum. And I really like the Pur Lisse Blue Lotus line. I have a lot of different products from this, and so it says it hydrates, intensely brightens and firms, and decreases puffiness. And so let's see what it has in there, if it has anything that will do. Oh wow, yes. Okay, so it says antioxidant. The Blue Lotus is a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. French marine plants hydrate and brighten the eye area. It has matrixyl 3000, which is a very good peptide. I think it's, this is the peptide that there's a special, there's something very, very special, and I usually can pull out exactly what it is about the matrixyl 3000 specific peptide. I can usually pull out of my head why that one is so special. There is a special thing about matrixyl 3000 that it does that other peptides don't do. It's something about the building blocks and the sequence of the peptides that makes it specifically more effective than other peptides. So the matrixyl 3000 is a very, very good peptide. It's extremely effective. It's a complex that helps prevent fine lines and wrinkles. Just lightly tap, 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 so that you're not applying any pressure around your eye area. This is a value of $58. So that's a high price item. Wow, $58. Yeah, $58. Wow. I use matrixyl 3000 every single day. It's a very, very good peptide. Then I have a Henna Lye Lip Treatment. And this is a value of $20. Aloha Healthy Lips. Formulated with a unique blend of Hawaiian botanicals like rare coconut oil, which is a very good oil ingredient to have in something, aloe and agave. This lush lip treatment instantly revives chapped lips. One swipe and you'll be hooked. Make the most of your beauty sleep and store this lip treatment bedside and put it on before bed. So I'm really anxious to try this. Well, it must be pretty thick. So it kind of comes out, oh, that tastes good. It kind of comes out like a, oh, no, it don't taste good either. But it kind of comes out like a Carmax out of the tube, but it don't have any kind of stinging or menthol or anything like that. But it feels good. Okay, so I'm happy to have that. But it does not taste good. And, let's see, Nature's Cartel lipstick in 90s nostalgia. So it comes in a box that looks like this. It's got little cheetah print on it, and let's see what the color looks like. 90s inspired beauty looks are having a moment right now, and this brown mauve lipstick from Nature's Cartel is exactly what you need to get in on the trend. This creamy non-drying formula feels comfy on the lips, plus it's vegan and cruelty-free too. We'll double tap to that. So, ooh, this is a very, very pretty color. I like that. So it looks like this. Okay, let's try on this color. Okay, I actually like that color very much. It's very pretty. You sort of have to build it up a little bit. It feels a little bit kind of waxy. But once you build it up, it's a very nice color. And I like the way it feels on my lips. It feels very creamy, very hydrating, nourishing. Yeah, I like this one very much. And I really like the color. Great color. So good. Okay, and that is a value of $15. And then my last products that they sent to me was two products. It's the Space Case Cosmetics, and these are Seen from Space highlighters. And I got one in the shade 1C. Okay, sorry. And so this one is very light. So I could definitely see me using that one. The other one, let's see. This is 1B. And this one is darker. So I don't necessarily see me using that one. So I will actually put this one back up to be passed on to someone who can use that. So let's see. Ooh, that is so creamy. Oh, that feels wonderful. Look at that. Ooh, I'm all about a highlighter. Love it. Okay, let's see. Let me use my buffing, where is it? A buffing brush by, yeah, my Kevin Aqua buffing brush. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. I wonder if y'all can see that. These remind me of the ColourPop Super Shock highlighters. So I'm really liking that. Oh, that feels good. Okay, I like this one. I really like this one. I wish the other one was in a color I could use, but for a deeper skin tone, that's going to be awesome. So I like these Space Case highlighters right here. So it kind of reminds me of a little bit like Flexitarian, but it's lighter. So that's awesome. I love it. Okay, so let's get to my add-ons. What did I choose for add-ons? So I got the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions. And this is in like the Pantone color of the year, classic blue. So yeah, I have been really into blues lately. I have just, I don't even know. I think I'm getting better at applying blues to my eyes, and I think that with me being better at it, they're turning out better and I'm liking them better. So yeah, and then I got the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions. And so yeah, and I hope I entered Jess's, I don't know if I did or not. She may have already been done with that, but she got the topaz. Oh, I want that thing so bad. But look, isn't that gorgeous? And it's got like this deep kind of khaki green over here, and I really like that color. I'm really happy to have this. Yeah, really happy. Then I got the alternative rock pink fluorite. This is so cute. By the Balm. I love their stuff. Oh my goodness. So this is a really cute palette, and I am not sure what I'm going to do with this one. This is just too cute, but I may save this. You know, I love to put the Balm palettes in my giveaways, and so I might save this one and put this in my giveaway bucket bowl up here for coming up on, I don't know if I'm going to do like a mini halfway point giveaway for 1,500 subscribers, or you know what I'm going to do, but I may put that one up there for that. Then I got my hands on the, can believe this was in the add-on shop for, let's see, the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. I love this mascara, so I picked that up. And then I picked up a Farrah brush. It's the 160F face brush. So just for doing your blush, it's a really nice brush, and I got my hands on that. And so I'm really excited. I like Farrah brushes. So I'm so excited to have this one. I really wish I would have picked up two. So that's what's in my IPSY. That's what I got. That's what I also got with the add-ons. That's the way I like to do my IPSYs. Are you over IPSY? Are you still loving IPSY? Are you upset with them? What are your thoughts on IPSY? What are you doing with your IPSY? Have you kept your ultimate, canceled your ultimate, stuck with your Glam Bag Plus, getting add-ons, not getting add-ons? I'd be really curious to know what you're doing about your IPSY. I am still loving my IPSY, but remember, I've never gotten the ultimate bag. So I'm very happy with my Glam Bag Plus, and I love the add-ons. I think they are a slamming deal, and I love a good deal. So yeah, I'm really still quite enamored with my IPSY subscription. So yeah, let me know what you're thinking. If you like today's video, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel but you'd like to, all you gotta do is smash the big red subscribe button down below. If you'd like to know when there's new content to watch on my channel, well, all you gotta do is ring that post notification bell, and YouTube will be happy to let you know when there's something new to watch. I look so forward to seeing you in my next video. I hope that today finds you happy, healthy, and well, and everything's going great in your neck of the woods. And until my next video, mwah, smooches everybody. Bye-bye for now.